Hello class, how are you? I hope that you are very happy, okay? So today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. And today we're going to make a review, okay? So, pay attention. Repeat after me. Cow, goose, horse, sheep, donkey, fast, slow, quiet, loud. Now here I want you to say aloud some comparative sentences. For example, I'm going to say the first one. The rabbit is faster than the turtle, but the turtle is slower than the rabbit. Now tell me the next one. You have to say it aloud, okay? Now this. And finally, here. Okay, now repeat after me. Kind. Remember, here is team. Very kind. Naughty. Wet. Dry. Fridge. Photo. Tidy. Untidy. Floor. Rubbish. Dirty. Now here we are going to practice the present continuous, okay? Recuerda que cuando usamos el present continuous necesitamos el verb to be más otro verbo en ing. Entonces, ahorita vamos a practicar el present continuous con la pregunta What are you wearing? Or what is she wearing? Or what is he wearing? Recuerda que wearing se refiere a qué está usando, pero de ropa, ¿ok? So, for example, what are you wearing? Now, look at some family members and if it's a girl, say, what is she wearing? Imagine, for example, your mom or your brother here, for example, what is he wearing? And say, what are they wearing? Now, here we are going to practice the verb to be, okay? Remember, in present es algo en presente. I'm sorry. So, for example, recuerda que el verb to be es ser o estar, de ser una persona o de estar en un lugar o de estar feliz, triste, algún sentimiento, ¿ok? So, for example, I am happy. Or he is at the supermarket. Or they are at their school. Or I am Miss Raquel. Now practice the verb to be in past tense, in affirmative, and then in past tense and negative. Okay? When you finish, open your class book in page 106 and here write the short date. Now pay attention, okay? Here you are going to look at the pictures and you are going to say what are the people wearing. So for example here, the girl, what is she wearing? And you can say, she's wearing a costume of a cat, okay? And then continue with the other kids and the people here. Now we're going to listen to the story, okay? Remember to follow with your finger and to pay attention on the pronunciation. Porque después de escucharla, tú la tienes que leer en voz alta.
Listening 152. Listen and read.
Class 2L play was a great success by Lucy Grant. This year, Class 2L's play was Vet's Story. The play was in our classroom on Tuesday morning. I was the vet in the play. Jack and Ruby were ill animals. Jack was a rabbit and Ruby was a cat. My costume was a vet's white coat. Jack's was a fluffy tail and big rabbit ears. Ruby's costume was a big cat's head. In the story, the rabbit was scared of the vet, but in the end, he was very brave. The cat was very old and tired, but in the end, it was happy and well. The play was lots of fun. Our families were very happy and proud of us. Thank you to our English teacher, Miss Green, for her work. And thank you to our mums and dads for the costumes. Primary 2 was brilliant. We are really looking forward to Primary 3.
Okay, well done, class. Now, pause the video, ponle pausa y lee la historia en voz alta. When you finish, you play the video, okay? And let's continue with exercise number 3. You are going to read again, that you have already done it, and you are going to circle the false word and write the correct word. Vas a circular la palabra incorrecta y vas a escribir la correcta en la línea. For example, the play was on Thursday. No, this is the incorrect word. And the correct one is, the play was on Tuesday. And you write the correct word here. Now, close your class book. Now, open your workbook in page 106. And here you are going to have another reading, okay? I'm going to read it first, and then you are going to pause again the video and you are going to read it, okay? So pay attention. Our class play by Robin, class 2nd L. This year, our class was on the farm. My friends and I were the farm animals. I was a horse. My costume was a big horse head and body. Charles was a sheep. His costume was a white wool coat. Nicola was a hen. Her costume was a hen's head and body. All the animals were happy on the farm. Everyone was very good. All our moms and dads were very happy. Our teacher was very proud of us. Now pause the video and read it aloud, okay? When you finish, you are going to answer exercise number 2. You have to read again and match the children to the animals, okay? For example, Robin was a horse. Now, in exercise number 3, you have the words sheep, happy, 2nd L, animals, head, and proud. Proud, it's like, I'm proud of you, you got a 10, something like that, okay? So, orgulloso, okay? So, you are going to complete the sentences using these words. And then, you are going to go to the worksheet, okay? Vas a trabajar en la ficha. Pon mucha atención, puedes imprimir o copiar este ejercicio. Aquí vamos a practicar el verb to be en pasado y el verb to be en past and negative. So here in exercise number 1, you are going to write these sentences in past. Tú vas a tener estas oraciones que están en presente. Las tienes que volver a escribir aquí, pero en pasado. Aquí te puse un ejemplo. Por ejemplo, I am at the supermarket. Si la escribes en pasado, sería I was at the supermarket. Y en el ejercicio 2, las vas a escribir en past tense and negative. For example, I am at the supermarket y la pasarías a I wasn't at the supermarket, okay? Be careful and pay attention, okay? And that's it for today, class. Remember to sing the goodbye song, okay? Goodbye, see you tomorrow.